Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. So kita sambung dengan part yang terakhir di dalam simple clamp vise, iaitu this part, the third part, which is known as clamp screw. Okay, so as usual, sebelum ni, sebelum kita boleh convertkan 3D solid modeling iaitu clamp screw ni ke 2D technical drawing, kita kena buka dulu. Okay, kita kena buka dulu kita punya template. So memandangkan clamp screw ni dia sama je dengan guide bracket ni, iaitu dia kedudukan dia menegak vertical like this. So I'm going to use the portrait type of template. Okay, I'm going to double click this one. There you are. And once after you open, remember, you must always remember that this is .dwt punya extension file, so we need to save it under .dwg punya extension file. Okay, so we need every time bila you buka the template, straight away the first thing that you need to do, okay, you need to save this, save as let's say I'm going to switch to my file. Alright, and then I'm going to change the file types to .dwg, and then I'm going to rename it as clamp screw. Alright, clamp screw. Alright, so once after confirm, and we just need to save it. Alright. And then the next step is that we need to switch to model, and we're going to switch this to southwest isometric view as well as parallel view. Alright, and then you pergi semula ke 3D solid modeling file 3D solid modeling yang you buat sebelum ni, and then select dulu part yang you nak copy. So go to edit and then copy. Lepas tu pergi semula ke clamp screw punya file yang mana ada title block tadi kan. So switch back to model, and then straight away go to edit and then paste it, and you can locate it anywhere. Katakan I'm going to put it at the center of the screen. There you are. Lepas tu kita go back to layout 1. Okay, make sure it's under home menu tab. Kita check dulu kita punya drafting standard. So always remember that we need to use the third angle projection view, and the thread style for side view should be like this, whereas for the top or plan view should be like this. Okay, and then click OK. Now we proceed with this one. Expand this base, the arrow base here, and then pick from models piece. Lepas tu dah automatic keluar ni. Okay, just simply pick anywhere. 1, exit, then 2, 3, kalau nak mudah, okay, you buat sini, 4. Okay, so once after you confirm, just press enter. Or you can just press exit pun boleh. Okay, exit, bring your cursor to here, exit, or you just press enter pun boleh, no problem. Now, I'm going to create the center mark. Okay, go to annotate, center mark for this one. Click this one. Ada lagi tak? Yang bulatan, this one. Kali ini kan ada bulatan kan, so pick this one. And then enter. I nak go pilih center line pula pada bahagian ni. Okay, pada sisi ni. Kali ini, so ni kalau kita tengok daripada tepi dia macam ni, kalau front view macam ni lah. So dia punya center line should be here, dan juga sama dengan di sini. Okay, center line should be this one and this one. Alright, so now it's time for us to okay, I nak buat LT scale dulu pasal dia punya line, hidden line ni dua je. Even kalau kita perhatikan di sini, center line dia tak nampak hanya satu garis lurus saja. Dia tak ada garisan membentuk betul-betul garisan center line. So I'm going to type LT scale, then enter. So by default dia punya size dia 1, so I'm going to reduce it to 0.5. Tengok macam mana, enter. Okay, should be fine. Okay, dia dah bentuk seperti this is center line, this is hidden line. Alright. Okay, alright. So now I nak tengok sama ada dia punya scale ni okay ke tak. I think should be okay lah. Okay, tengok dulu. We just bring our cursor to here. Okay, bring cursor to her. 1 to 2. How about 1 to 1? Tengok macam mana. Double click. Dan change this to 1 to 1. Tengok macam mana. 1 to 1. Oh, it's too big. It's too big. Alright. It's too big. So, kalau too big, kita maintain dengan 1 to 1. Pasal ini dia dah terkeluar kan. Okay. Tapi, it's okay. Kita bawa ni ke sini sikit, tepi sikit. So, just accept. Okay. And then I'm going to move this. Okay, I'm going to move the isometric view ni. Okay, isometric view ni, I'm going to move a bit here. Okay, I auto off supaya I boleh mudah dia free movement. I letak tepi ni lah. Okay, supaya dia tak ni. Dan ini, I gerakkan dia sedikit ke sini. Alright, so now I can proceed with my dimensions. Okay, katakan I'm going to, of course dimension dia under annotate, this one, so I'm going to proceed linear. I ambil yang keseluruhan dulu, from this point to this point. Okay, terlalu kecil dia punya dimension, so I'm going to change it. ISO 1-25, then modify. First of all, I'm going to make this without decimal, period, and text ni I siap-siapkan ISO standard instead of align. I'm using this one. Dan katakan test height dia, I try buat 3.5. Tengok macam mana. Symbol and arrows dia pun 3.5. Okay, dan press OK, press close. Okay, dah automatic you don't worry. Dia akan tadi 2.5 kan asal-asal dia size dimension ni. So bila ada change to 3.5, dia akan automatically ubah size kami untuk kita. So should be okay like this. That should be okay. So I'm going to proceed with kita dah tahu okay tak okay, kenapa you zoom, you biar nampakkan keseluruhan ni. Okay, kesan lebih kurang macam ni lah. Okay, macam ni. So you perhatikan bahawa size macam ni lah macam ni. So size dimension ni dia tidak terlalu besar dan tidak terlalu kecil jika kita nak bandingkan atau nak suitkan dengan kita punya, nak sesuaikan dengan kita punya objek ni. Okay, objek ni. So I think size ni should be okay. Even size arrow pun okay, alright. Ini kita just play an error saja. Okay? There's no standard at all, alright. So I'm going to proceed with the other one, which is I'm going to use linear again. This time I'm going to pick here to here. Alright, and then this one I nak bawa dia keluar di sini. Okay, and then another one is this one. So I'm going to pick this one and this one. Okay, biar dia align dengan ni lah. So nampak cantik sikit kan. Okay, and then I'm going to move this di luar ni. And then ini jangan lupa linear sekali lagi from here to here, which is, let's say 10. Yes, correct, 10. Then I'm going to locate the dimension dekat bahagian luar ni. Okay, sini sikit. Okay, and then definitely I'm going to create a radius for this one. Okay, up it. Manakala kalau yang ini dia dotted line, so mungkin kita akan easily to get confused. So I'm going to have my diameter for this one dekat sini. So remember this is M12. Okay, so click this one. Click perimeter tengah ni, bawa dia keluar, and then double click. Sebelum ni I terbuat M2, I tak perasan. So should be M12. So M12, okay, M12 threaded. Kalau nak buat threaded pun boleh, maknanya dia ada threaded, okay. Dan close thread bermaksud dia berbenang lah, okay, berbenang. Alright, dan press enter. Ini masih lagi tak ada gambar cursor, gambar 4 segi tu. Even kalau kita perhatikan kita punya command line masih lagi ada statement lagi. So just press enter one more time sampai dia kosong macam ni lah. So means we already exit from the any command. So another one more, which is another one kat bawah ni. Okay, so we need to create linear, and this one 8. I'm going to duplicate this at outside here, and definitely this one diameter, diameter 8 kan. Okay, kita jangan letak 8 je pasal dia bulatan. Okay, dia bulatan pada bawah ni, so kita kena letak diameter lah. Diameter, letak arrow kita pada ujung sekali. Diameter tu, okay, dia once bila you double click, dia akan terpapar macam ni. So diameter dia terletak pada simbol ni. Kalau you nak buat diameter, you nak insertkan diameter, so you cari diameter. So this is diameter. Nampak dia ada diameter 8. Okay, so once after confirm, just close text editor. Then press enter one more time. So kalau you perhatikan, it should be clear. So ini ketika I nak move, dia terlalu ke tepi sangat, dia ada ruang sikit ni kan. So kita susun kasi cantik lah, susun cantik. And even I'm going to change the view instead of visible and hidden lines from parent ni. Tadi yang dipilih, I'm going to make it visible lines like that. Dan press OK. Okay. Remember isometric tak perlu ada dimension. So cukup tak dimension kita. Tadi pun previous tadi yang untuk guide bracket I tersalah. Sini letak M2 sepatutnya M12. Tadi kan ada M12 whole M12 kan, whole M12 true. Okay, ini sepatut tapi I letak M2 saja. Right, so I think is it enough? I think should be okay. Right, okay. So once auto confirm everything, you boleh lah. Okay, you boleh lah letakkan title drawing dan juga drawing number sama dia punya quantity, okay, dan juga date kan. Okay, date. Okay, kata tetap scale dia tadi not 1:1, tapi scale dia is 1:1. Yes, 1:1. I make it 1:1 just now. Yeah, so we just remain with 1:1. And then I'm going to change the drawing title. I'm going to justify it at the center. And I'm going to name it as clamp screw kan. Clamp screw. And then I nak besarkan dia sedikit kepada 4. Dan nak boldkan dia. Kita tarik sikit. Okay. Dan close text editor. And then I'm going to move this one. Kalau you nak free movement lagi mudah untuk case ni. Okay, you offkan you boleh auto. Look at it at the center of this box, drawing title box. Sama juga dengan drawing number ni. Kita justifykan dekat tengah. And then simple clamp twice /03. Okay, because this is the third part, right? So I'm going to change it to 2.5. Okay, close, and then I'm going to move this at somewhere around here at the center. Alright, and then quantity, of course, definitely only one. Justify kat setengah, 1. Okay, ini I boleh kecilkan sikit lah. Okay, and then close text editor. Alright, you can indicate the materials and also finishing dia. Okay, sama ada you nak coating ke ataupun paint coated ke, whatever. Okay, okay, now so it's done. Okay, kita belum lagi, kita nak hidekan tanda ataupun simbol seruan ni. So again, unknown monitor. Okay, unknown monitor. Okay, we change it to 0. Enter. There you are. Okay, so once after confirm this one, okay, confirm, you can save as, oh you dah save clamp screw tadi kan, so kita just save sajalah, save saja. Okay guys, so that's all about the how are we going to about how are we going to convert the 3D solid modeling to 2D technical drawing. So remember, 2D technical drawing dia terdiri daripada orthographic view, iaitu orthographic view tu terdiri daripada front view, top ataupun plan view, right side view dan juga isometric view. Dan kita juga di dalam 2D technical drawing juga terdapat dimension seperti ini. Okay. Okay guys, so I think that's all about the how are we going to convert the 3D solid modeling into 2D technical drawing. Sama je, apa-apa bentuk pun kalau you nak convert daripada 3D to 2D, the step or the concept are the same. But you have to remember that kalau you nak buat pemilihan ke atas type of E4 template tu, sama ada landscape ataupun portrait, dia bergantung kepada kedudukan part yang terlibat. Adakah kedudukan part itu vertical, macam tadi kita perhatikan untuk guide bracket dan juga untuk clamp screw ni, dia punya kedudukan menegak, vertical. So kita gunakan portrait lah. Okay, kalau kita gunakan landscape nanti dia kecil pula. Mungkin kita tak dapat gunakan satu nisbah satu untuk scale dia, mungkin 1:4 atau 1:5 kan. So tengok pada keadaan. Macam main base tu dia punya kedudukan dia horizontal, mendatar. So in that case kita bolehlah gunakan A4 landscape title block ataupun A4 landscape template. Okay guys, so you can try out this one, tengok. Okay, dan thank you for your attention, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you very much.